which live in soil are able to fix significant level of nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility without the direct interaction with other organisms. So these microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. For example, Azotobacter, Bacillus are few examples. Then this nitrogen fixation is a process by which gaseous nitrogen is converted into ammonia. Now let us know about nitrogen cycle. See, we all know our atmosphere has 78% of nitrogen gas. So nitrogen is one of the essential constituents of all living organisms as a part of protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. And this atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plants and animals. Therefore, nitrogen fixing microorganisms capture the atmospheric nitrogen by converting it into the ammonia, which can be taken by plants from soil through their root system and used to make organic molecules. And the nitrogen containing molecules are later passed to the animals when the plants are eaten. And when plants and animals dies, the bacteria and fungi present in the soil will convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogenous compounds to be used by plants again. See, certain other bacteria convert some part of them into nitrogen gas, which goes back into the atmosphere. So as a result, the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more and less constant. This is about the nitrogen cycle. And this is about the chapter microorganisms.